Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Wangoi Yvonne and I make tutorial videos for new YouTubers or anybody who doesn't know how to go by when accessing their laptop or any device. And for this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the analytics layout. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. I want to show you how to get this layout in your YouTube channel. For all the people who don't know how this is achieved, I will be showing you just that in a few seconds. So if you're new here, please subscribe. First, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, let me know that you've joined the family, and I am so grateful that I have this platform to share these things with you. So without further ado, I will just get right into today's tutorial. So what you want to do is this is your layout. You want to head over to YouTube. Okay, I should have mentioned this. I'm going to put a link down in the description box, and the link is for you to download the extension. It's a Chrome extension, and it can also be used in your mobile. So it's not only for PC. There's Tubebuddy mobile, so you can also use that for your Android or your iPhone. So what you want to do is you want to just go to the search box in Google and you just want to go to YouTube. So I will just search for youtube.com, and there it is. Head over to YouTube, and okay, this is the layout when you get to YouTube. So what you want to do is by this time you have your account signed in. I haven't yet signed in, so I'll sign in a few minutes. So what you want to do is you want to open another tab, and you want to copy the link that is in the description box. Just copy it, and yeah, it will this is where you'll go once you copy the link. And what you want to do is you want to install it. So as you can see, it's for Chrome, Mozilla, this is Opera Mini if I'm not wrong. It's also for Apple and Android. So what you want to do is you want to install now. So I'll click on that. It's installing, and there it is. You want to add it to Chrome. So click add to Chrome or add to Android, whatever. So add extension, and it's checking. You just have to wait a few minutes, seconds, and wait for it to get into your device. So as you can see down here, it's my net is a little bit slow today, but as you can see down here, it's downloading the extension. So I will just have to wait a few seconds and wait for it. There it is. So now I want to head over to YouTube, and I should also sign into YouTube. I hadn't signed into YouTube. I was signing into my Google account. So I want to sign into YouTube over here. I'm logged into this account. Yeah, it is very much done. As you can see, it's successfully signed in. So once you've signed into the Tubebuddy account, you will just head over here and click on that drop down, and then because you want to see how your channel is, you can just go to dashboard. Dashboard is your channels, it's YouTube's dashboard. So if I click on dashboard, it will just take me to the YouTube, my channel's dashboard. And there's no post on this account, so I don't think this will work right now. So what I want to do is I want to go to, let's say I want to search for, okay, you can see my license as of now is a starter license because I have not paid for it. So you can pay for it or you can just continue to use the starter account. Either way, you'll get the analytics that I'm talking about. So what you want to do is, let me just go back. Say I want to search for my channel. Now the channel that I use, my channel name is Wangoi Yvonne. So search for Wangoi Yvonne, and immediately it gives you this. Already there's most used tags. You can see the keyword score. Okay, I wanted to head on to my channel. Mind you, I'm using another channel. So already, since I installed that extension, I can see how this person has been doing. I can see the views that they've been getting in their lifetime and in the last 30 days. And I can see everything about this channel. Say I want to go to someone else's channel. Let's say, what channel should I? Maybe Oprah Winfrey Network. I don't know if they have an account for that. Okay, yeah, it is. If I go to there, I can get to see how the channel works.
So here's just a taste.
Okay, see, I can see the lifetime, the views that they've gotten in their lifetime. I can see in the last 30 days. You can see everything about this channel. So if you want to see how your competitor, say, is doing, all you need to do is just install this. You just have to install this extension and it will show you how your competitor is doing. And you can rate yourself, or you can see how this person is doing, and you can adjust according to your own preferences. So now, if I head to Tubebuddy, the most important thing that you need to do is you need to go to website tools and you need to check for your health report. Okay, just head over there, check on your health report. But now you see I am not able to access my health report. Let me show you. In my other account, this account, if I go to Tubebuddy over here and I click on health report, website tools, then health report, I can be able to see everything about myself. I can be able to see the views, the subscribers, the uploads. I can see the searches that have led people to my website. I can see my videos. I can see the websites that people have gotten access to my channel. You can see there's YouTube, WhatsApp, there's Facebook, Chrome, GB WhatsApp, there's everything over here. This is what I use to promote my channel. So I can see my audience, the age group, 13 to 17 years, 18 to 24 years. I can tell by the device they're using. It's a mobile phone or a desktop or a tablet or a television. I can also check the region, say Kenya, India, United States, Japan, Turkey, Mexico, Germany, Thailand, Malaysia, United Kingdom, Spain. This is where my traffic comes from all these countries, and I can check so many things. So, but for this other channel, I'm not able to do that. So what you want to do is you just have to click on the start 14-day free pro trial if you want to check your health report. So I can just click on that, start 14-day free trial, and this is what happens. As you can see, this channel doesn't have any posts, so automatically there's no enough data to show this. But for those people who have YouTube channels that have been up and running for some time now, you will get to see so much over here. This is what you'll get to see. If I go back to my page, this is what happens. You can see so much things, and you can just figure out what you want to see, or what everything according to your channel. So the video, this is what I wanted to tell you guys about, and I really hope that it's been informative for you, and I hope you've learned something new, and I hope that this will help all the starters. So this should automatically change. Let me just refresh this, because it was a starter account. Now it should change. I don't know how long it takes to change, but let me just check. Let me wait for it, and then just click there. And as you can see, now my license has been changed to Pro. Yeah, over here. And you know, Tubebuddy is good because it gives you, it also tells you your milestones. Say for me, where is it? Is it here? Okay, I've forgotten where it is. Just a minute. Oh yeah, over here. I can check something called what is it called? Where is it? Yeah, this is mine. So I can check the milestones. This is what I wanted to show you. If you check the milestones, you will get to see the progress that you've been making throughout your channel's lifetime, the progress that you've been making. So let me just wait for this to load. This is what I'm talking about. I can see I got to 800 subscribers. I can check the certificate. In my earlier video, I showed you a certificate. This is the certificate that Tubebuddy gives you. So this is it. If you want to download this for yourself, you can just click download certificate. Yeah, this is it. And okay, you can also see the subscribers, and you can also see the views that you've gotten, and you can check the certificate. You can choose to download the certificate. Yeah, you can see the milestones, and these are these are the tools that Tubebuddy gives you. You can search for Keyword Explorer. The keyword is very useful when you want to rank your video. You know, you want your video to be on top when someone searches for a certain topic. So the keyword is very useful. It helps you with that. There's the thumbnail generator, the health report that I just showed you guys, and there's the video A/B tests. There's bulk processing. There's so much. If you'd want me to make a video as showing you how to use the Tubebuddy tools, just let me know. But basically, we've just talked about what I wanted to show you. I've showed you how to install Tubebuddy. It's for your PC or your Android phone. It works both ways, and you can get to see the progress that your channel has been making. So thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you subscribe to this channel.